everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update AOL app. So if you also want to update AOL app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to see the search icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply type in AOL. Now here you'll be able to find the application for AOL. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. But if your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to see update option. If you want to update the application, all you have to do is tap on the update option. After that, wait for a while. After that, your application will be updated and you'll be able to use the latest version of AOL app. So that is how you update AOL app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.